guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back. I hope you guys like the episode 2 of What's in the Box. That's why the trunk's open. We are going to get started on this now. Depending on how old your car is, your S550, depends on how well this spoiler comes off because of the 3M tape. Now, I've been kind of testing it. Jacob was looking for our tripod.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So in the process of doing that, I actually took one of the bolts out and started prying up, and this thing's gonna come off. The car is 8 months old. 8 months old. It was manufactured, put on a train, sent to Tennessee to the dealership where I bought it the day after I bought the car, when it hit the lot, the day after. So it looks like this is gonna be easy. I mean, I've seen some videos, they're talking 2 hours to get this done, just to get the 3M tape and all that other stuff off. And then we'll have to 3M up the spoiler and actually install it. But real quick, guys, right here is one of the bolts. All you do is literally just take and pull it off. Hold on to it because you're going to need it. You have a bunch of little Christmas tree tabs in here. I've got our puller here. Easy to pull out, not hard.
That's what
That's what she said.
So you take all these off. Probably the hardest thing, if I'd quit locking the doors, to get, because I've noticed that these right here are a little hard. They just unscrew the little bump stops. They unscrew out. But everybody, actually, you can probably just pull them out, to be honest with you. This is probably the hardest part. Everybody I've watched has had an issue getting this off. And I can see why. It is not going to come off easy. And all this is the cover for the latch, to not make it look so cruddy. You gotta get aggressive with it and get going. Well, we didn't break it, that's good. So, it's pretty simple. Now, the only one thing I could say is this 10mm bolt in here, keep a magnet available, because when you pull it off, it's Teflon coated. I don't know if we can show that or not, but if you can see the orange inside there, that Teflon's there to keep it from backing back off, like vibrating off, so on and so forth. So keep a magnet available, or even try closing your trunk down and taking it off. But we're in a rush, so impact for the world, right?
Yeah, man.
Well, or something like that happens where you drop it into the trunk lid and you don't want it rattling. Well, it's not good because we've lost it. So, I guess we'll find this real quick and we'll be right back with you guys. We'll just kind of show you the steps to taking it off, because I'm gonna have to fish this thing out. Just that simple, guys. It comes right off. Now 2 more 10mm bolts. Alright guys, so as you can tell, all 3M tape's gone. Basically what we did, we keep goo going around the house, and I don't even know where this bottle came from. Like, this is a small bottle. We have a big bottle we bought from AutoZone. Once you're done with that though, because that is an oil-based chemical, Sean brought it up. We hit it with some speed shine just to get the oil-based crap off of it, so the new 3M tape will actually adhere to the trunk. And a little test fit. I don't know, man. What do you think?
I don't want to show them too much, man. Just yet. Gotta get it fitted up.
Yeah, we'll get the 3M tape on, get the bolts in there, because once again, the big hole in the box, if you've seen what's in the box, yeah, the hardware fell out. So we'll get this bolted up, and I guess we'll show you the rest of the install. All right, guys, that's it. We're done. I'm at a loss for words, to be honest with you. Jacob, what do you think, man? And something other than yeah, man.
Dang. I mean, it looks beast.
I'm super giddy. Dude, I mean, this is just happy birthday to me. This was a birthday gift, along with the next week's what's in the box. So stay tuned for that one, guys, and smash that thumbs up button on this one, and stay tuned to the end, because we got a little funny clip of me being goofy. But yeah, I mean, 140 bucks, and it changed the whole total look of the car, especially back here. I mean, that little flat stock wing was just not cutting it for me, and I don't like the track pack one, so this is what we went with, the GT500. I was originally going to go with the GT350R, but we had that problem with, we had the holes in the middle, so I needed something that would actually cover it up. So that being said, guys, we still got more work to do tonight. We got one more thing to put on this car, which will be next week's video, so please stay tuned. Come back next week, watch those as well. And don't forget, smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. And as always, guys, dream big.
Fantastic.
Hold on, I'm testing some.